Hello guys, welcome back. Discover the future of mobile with our top 5 flip smartphone picks. We've curated a list of the most innovative and stylish foldable phones on the market, each offering a unique blend of performance, design and features. Get ready to explore the best in compact technology. For more information, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Motorola Razr 5G. Experience the future of mobile with the Motorola Razr 5G. This iconic foldable smartphone blends classic design with cutting-edge technology. Its sleek, pocketable form factor unfolds to reveal a stunning 6.2-inch display, perfect for immersive entertainment and productivity. Capture breathtaking photos and videos with its advanced 48-megapixel camera system, and stay connected with blazing fast 5G speeds. Enjoy all-day battery life, ample storage, and the intuitive MyUX interface. The Razr 5G is more than a phone, it's a statement. Embrace the innovative blend of style, performance, and connectivity that only the Razr can provide. Number 4. Tecno Phantom V Flip 2. Experience revolutionized mobile technology with the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2. This futuristic flip phone boasts a stunning 6.9-inch foldable display, perfect for entertainment, gaming, and productivity. Capture exceptional photos and videos with its 50-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel front camera, and 32-megapixel selfie camera. Seamlessly switch between tasks with the powerful octa-core processor and ample 8GB to up 16GB of RAM. Stay connected with fast-charging, long-lasting battery life and cutting-edge 5G connectivity. Embrace the sleek design, advanced features, and boundless possibilities of the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2, the ultimate mobile experience for the modern you. Number 3. Huawei P50. Pocket embrace elegance and innovation with the Huawei P50 Pocket. This exquisite foldable smartphone redefines luxury with its stunning design and powerful performance. Its unique pocketable form unfolds to reveal a vibrant 6.9-inch display, perfect for immersive viewing and effortless multitasking. Capture breathtaking photos and videos with its revolutionary camera system, co-engineered with Leica. The P50 Pocket's advanced hinge design ensures durability and a seamless folding experience. Stay connected with 4G connectivity and enjoy all-day battery life. The intuitive EMUI interface offers a personalized and user-friendly experience. Experience the fusion of fashion and technology with the Huawei P50 Pocket, a true statement piece that elevates your mobile lifestyle to new heights. Number 2. Oppo Find N2. Flip experience the revolutionary. Oppo Find N2 Flip, the ultimate foldable smartphone. This groundbreaking device seamlessly blends style, performance, and innovation. Its sleek, compact design unfolds to reveal a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, delivering an immersive viewing experience and effortless multitasking. Capture life's precious moments with its advanced rear camera system, featuring a 32-megapixel primary sensor and 32-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies. Powered by a potent processor and ample storage, it handles demanding tasks with ease. The Oppo Find N2 Flip also features Oppo's signature fast-charging capabilities and a long-lasting battery for non-stop performance. Elevate your mobile experience with this cutting-edge device, designed to push the boundaries of what's possible. Experience the future of smartphones today. Number 1. Oppo Find N3. Flip unleash your potential with the Oppo Find N3 Flip, the epitome of foldable innovation. Experience a seamless blend of style and functionality with its sleek, pocket-sized design that unfolds into a stunning 6.8-inch display. Capture breathtaking photos with its advanced triple camera system, co-engineered with Hasselblad, offering exceptional image quality and versatility. Enjoy all-day power with a long-lasting battery and rapid charging. Powered by a cutting-edge processor, the Find N3 Flip delivers smooth performance for demanding tasks. Its innovative FlexForm mode adapts to your needs, making it perfect for both work and play. Redefine your mobile experience with the Oppo Find N3 Flip. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best flip smartphone. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.